it's your girl, Holly, and today we're going to be playing the Nyan Cat game. We're going to do classic. No. I don't know what half of this stuff is, but we're collecting it. So what I figured out is that we are going to do a Q&A video now. So yeah, please leave questions down below, and I will answer them. Oh crap. Also, please hit that subscribe button and that like button, and leave a comment down below. Tell me what game to play next time. Okay. Oh wow, that was a big jump. Big jump. Oh crap, gonna fall. Oh, okay. I'm trying to get up there. Jump. Nyan. No, I know what that is. That's a bomb. No, don't touch it. Don't touch it. Oh, catola pecado samata. Oh, hey, Hannah. Who's Hannah? Food. No. Houston, we have a problem. I'm not gonna write it right now. You'll maybe after this. LOL. What are you laughing at, Catty? Nyan? Yes, you were Nyan. I think that's how you say it. Oh, what the heck is that? Oh, okay. Oh, no. Oh, well, that's nice. No, I don't want the mean cat. Tack Nyan loser. Oh, crapola. What's this? Oh, I'm not supposed to touch that? Oh. I don't like being on the very last block, so we're going to try to crawl up. Okay. Oh, crapolas. I thought I was going to die. Oh, and I am dying. I jinxed myself. We're going to see how far we can make it. That is a app. Once again, they do not sponsor me. I was already falling. Invisible Nyan. No, I don't like invisible Nyan. Okay, combo Nyan. Oh my gosh. Guys, today is my best friend Jade's birthday. She is finally 12. So yeah, right after this, I'm going to go tell her happy birthday. I'm going to call her and tell her happy birthday. She's like my sister. Known her since 4th grade. Oh, doggy. Oh, doggy. Oh, doggy. Oh, bad doggy. Long live Mike. Who the heck is Mike? Oh, bad doggy. Bad doggy. Oh, crap. What the heck is wrong with my Nyan cat? Ah! My name's Tom. Right. Okay. Feel free to buy these. Get these apps. They don't sponsor me whatsoever. But yeah. And please subscribe. One of that. Oh, I thought I was gonna die. I am dying. Oh no, yeah. Oh, cool. Dang it. Oh, I like this. I love this song. The only reason I know this song is from the Orion Sound, which is like he is a great singer. He's a great YouTuber and a great singer, so yeah. Alright. I'm doing pretty good so far. Wow, I think that's my high score. I don't know. What guy? Oh yeah, I did. Nyan. Ah! Oh. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed me playing this game. Please go get this game for yourself because it is really fun. Oh, I've received a lucky box. So let's see what we got. You received 10x Cocoa for my Nyan! Yay! So, guys, I hope you enjoyed this. Please leave a like on this video and hit that red subscribe button and make it gray with just a little boot. I don't know what, okay, please leave a comment down below what game I should play next time. And please go watch my previous app video, Mask Me, where me and my brother played with the little app. And you be sure to check out, my Minecraft Survival World, because, yeah, it's really fun to do. So, I hope you enjoyed this. Bye!